at the West Townshend Bridge, and I just wanted to show you the progress that we've made here. We are now disassembling the structure, starting with excavating off the roadbed. We pulled off the asphalt. Under that was quite a lot of gravel. Now what you see out there is a little bit of the tops of the granite voussoirs that are making up the arch ring. And then we're at the moment just laying plastic over that to prevent any erosion over the weekend if there's rain. We started cutting the concrete parapet walls into sections and lifting those out. That's a big section of one here on the side. And we now have a better idea of how this was constructed. The original bridge had an iron metal railing, and when they did the concrete, they actually just poured around that. So that was essentially the rebar, quote unquote, that was in the wall. We've also uncovered that basically the bridge was built with the arch ring and then two thin stone retaining walls either side, and the infill appears to be really pretty much completely gravel. So it's when we rebuild that, we're going to rebuild it as solid stacked stone. It's going to be quite different, much stronger. But that shows the progress of the day, of the week, and we'll look forward to showing you more next week. So here we can see the parts of the old railing that were put in, encased in the concrete when they did that later, a vertical piece that actually tapers as it goes up, and then kind of U-bolted on are these 1-inch pipes, and it was cut off. They would have been more higher, but that's what the original railing would have been.